Saving money is kinda trying to fill this cup, but there is a problem. Look at this. No matter how much money you earn, you're always gonna feel broke if you don't fix these leaks. And those leaks are almost invisible until you pay attention. Oh, I did a whole mess trying to be cool. I know that saving money feels impossible. It's not that you're bad at money, it's actually the system working against you. But today I'm gonna show you how to fix that in 3 simple steps that even people lazy like me is gonna do it. Step 1, find and fix money leaks. So what we have to do to fix the leak? So you're gonna check your bank statement and you're gonna look for small leaks. You're looking for small sneaky expenses like subscriptions that you forgot, Prime Video or other apps that you pay. If you're not even going to the gym, stop paying the subscription, or if you're paying 2 gyms, just go to one. And you're gonna be looking for small daily expenses like coffee or takeout. So those 2 are probably the biggest ones because they have more impact for being daily expenses. So what can you do right now? Pause this video, open your bank app, and I guarantee you're gonna find at least 3 leaks right now. Once the leaks are fixed, the next step is automate saving. Because let's be real, relying on willpower to save money, it's not gonna work. Saving manually, it's like carrying water 1 cup at a time. So for you to fill the whole bucket, it's gonna take you a long time. And automating is like setting up a pipeline where money flows straight into your savings without lifting your fingers. So what we're gonna do is we want to set up a pipeline from your now, which is your bank account, which will link into your savings. And for us to take this water from your bucket to your future bucket, we're gonna use a famous pump. So we do need some power, and this pump will be used setting up automatic transfer every time you get paid. So every time you put money in, either pounds or dollars or whatever currency that you receive, you're gonna set up an automatic transfer sending a small percentage to your saving accounts. So let's start small, guys. Don't start trying to save everything at once. The important things here is constant savings than just one lump off. Even if you want to start £10 a week, that's totally fine. I can reassure you that will add up and you're gonna have a lot of savings by the end of the year. So for you to do now, open your bank app and set an automatic transfer right now. Even if it's just a tiny amount, £10 a week, at least you have something set it up. You move. Saving is like to say that you want to improve your intake of water. If you fill up the whole cup, you're gonna get scared. Oh no, I have to drink all this. But what if you increase a bit by bit until you reach the top of the cup? The 1% rules works in a simple way. Start small and slowly level up. If you saved £100 or $100, and the next month we're gonna increase 1%. So increasing 1% on the next month, you're gonna be putting 101. And the following month we're gonna increase another 1%. But over a year period, you will be saving 12% more without even realizing of how much you have put it in. So right now, increase your saving by just 1%, you will barely feel it, but your future self will thank you. I can guarantee that. So, if saving felt impossible before, now you know the trick. The secret isn't about you earning more money. It's fixing the leaks, automating the process, and increasing slowly over the time. So if that helped you today, just share with your friend and tell me in the comments below what is the biggest leak that you found today.